Hi. Setting up a new Laravel project on the cPanel is very easy now. We have software installer that does it within a minute. Go to the cPanel dashboard and search for the Softaculous. Now find the Laravel. Here I go with the quick installer. Now choose the domain name, where you want the Laravel app to be installed. Laravel 9.1 version requires you to have PHP version 8. So the error asks to enable PHP 8. When the installation is done, you can visit the page. The default Laravel welcome page will be shown.